welcome back to our channel. Today we have a LOL surprise.
That's right, Lily. Today we're opening LOL surprise, bigger surprise. And this here comes with 60 surprises and it's part of the I Spy series. Are you ready, Lily?
Yeah.
Yes.
I like opening a lot of stuff.
I know, and you were very excited to get this, right?
Yes.
Guys, cover your ears because I'm going to insert a video of when Lily first got her surprise.
You're just gonna read it.
All right, close your eyes, Lily. We have a big surprise for you.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Open them. All right. Awesome. Look what you got.
Can I open it now?
Oh, you're hoarse now. In a little bit. Look at them cheeks. JJ, she's silly, right? You were excited, weren't you, Lily?
Yeah, I'm
Super excited. All right, now we're going to open this here. Now let's try not to tear too much because guess what? You know there are clues all around here. We want to see.
I'm scared.
All right, there you go. Good job.
Thank you.
Oops. That's okay. Here, you need help?
Oh man.
That's okay. Just come on, just pull it. And there you go. All right, let's open it up. Okay, so we're going to put that right there to the side. Now, guys, we do have scissors because it has to be open right here. Doesn't this look like a little suitcase?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger than the first one we got, right?
Yeah.
All right, watch your hands. All right, Lily, now let's take this off.
We got it open.
Whoa, Lily, look at this. Turn it around so I can see what you've got. Wow, Lily, look at all of these that you have to open. This is just the first layer. Now let's see the clues. That's a big magnifying glass, ain't it?
Yes.
All right, let's just see what we see here. Let's see if we... Guys, it says big hair don't care. And is there other little clues around?
Yeah, I saw this.
Right, so that says big hair don't care.
There's a clues, there's bottles.
And there's bottles and question marks
and
and
one of these.
magnifying glasses.
I
Yup.
can see them without this.
All right, well, let's put this to the side.
Yeah, I want to get
And now,
started
let's see.
with
Wait, there's some clues here. Let's see what they say, Lily.
this. Oh, yes. Right here.
Hold it up. It says, can you guys see that? Look for secret clues. That says unbox me. Me first. Oh, here's
first.
another one.
And me
Let
first.
me out of here. Pick me. And let's see what this one says. Yoo-hoo. All right, Lily. Now what we're going to do is take this part out. Because guess what? We can turn it
Oh my
around.
goodness, I didn't know.
Look at
They have
all these
baby
treats, Lily. We have 2 light pink, 2 blue, and 2 hot pink. But before we get started on that layer, look at this. Let's start with these. All right, let me move this to the side. And basically, you see the line, so you can just go like this. And we're going to take everything out. Give it to me as you open it, okay? And we're going to put them right here. What's this? Oh, look how cute. This is such a cute little outfit. All that glitter. All right, we're going to put it right here. Let's see. Oh, man, look at this cool camouflage hat. This is really cool. And it's got a matching dress. Very pretty. Let's see. Oh my goodness. This hat is so cute. You okay, girl?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
OMG.
Oh,
These shoes are popping.
they're popping. They sure are. Look how cute these are. Look
This
at the
one
heel.
is
Look at the
here.
bottom part. All right, we're gonna put them right here. And what's next, Lily? Oh, another
popping.
cute outfit. Oh my goodness, this is such a pretty blue.
Another cute outfit.
Another outfit, man. Look at this. Oh, it says meow on it. How cute is that? All right, we're gonna put that right there.
Another cute skirt.
And let's move these here. Let's see. Let me see the skirt.
I think that goes to here.
All
yeah,
right.
that goes to here.
It might, but we'll see. No, I think it goes with that one. Okay, so here's the
No,
skirt.
this one is. Oh, no more.
Let's see. No, you have one more right here.
Oh, sorry.
And let's see. Oh, Lily, you were wrong, honey. Look. This goes with this. But then again, I guess you can exchange them and put the tops with the bottom.
Poppin'.
Oh my goodness. Look at these shoes, guys. How cute are they? So this is everything. You sure you got all the clues out of this pack here?
Yeah.
All right, let's put this away.
Wait, hold on. Let's see one more time.
Nope, that's it. And so far, we have these two really cool hats, 2 pair of shoes, and 1, 2, 3, 4 outfits. Very, very cool. All right, Lily, so you're going to start with that capsule?
Goes here. And that one goes
Now, is there any clues on there? Let's see. Doesn't seem. Nope, no clues. So let's get started. Open up the zipper.
My Juju bought this for me.
Oh, that was very, very nice. Let's see how we open it. What in the world, Lily? What is this?
I know this one. This is.
The wig. Look how
I
pretty.
know this one.
Pull it
I
out.
always wanted one of these.
You always want it. Yeah, well, this brings the wigs. Let's see what this one looks like. Can you get it out?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. I don't want you messing it up. All right, so we have a wig. Look how pretty it is. We're going to put this right here. And Lily, go ahead and
Open the blue
see what you've got in the next one. All right, Lily, so before we do the final layer, let's see what we got. Look at this wig. Oh, so pretty. And I love this curly one. We've got the purple. Oh, these are so nice, Lily. Now, how do you feel about dressing up your LOLs with wigs?
Awesome.
It's going to be awesome, isn't it? I can't wait to see some of the other LOLs with wigs. Now, are you ready to open this part?
Yeah.
All right, Lily.
OMG.
Let's see what we've got, Lily. Before you do that, let's see. Okay, look. We have a little sister. What's that? Big sister?
Yeah.
A little sister. We've got another big sister. And guess what? You have a pet.
Yes.
Now, these are the regular balls, so they come with 7 clues, and I believe this one has 5 clues, if I'm not mistaken. 5 surprises. Now let's lift this up because Lily, look at all this stuff. I thought this was the final layer, but no, you've got a bunch of other stuff. All right, well, let's get started. You're going to start with the big sister?
Girl, yeah.
Don't forget to get all 7 layers. Wow, Lily. So what do you think?
I love it.
Oh
Of
my
course.
goodness. You got so many beautiful things in this box.
Okay.
Yes, when they say it's a LOL surprise, bigger surprise, it definitely is. All right, Lily. So we've got some very cute stickers,
Yeah.
some wigs, some accessories. Now, the only problem is, guys, our bottle here is a little smashed up, but it's okay. It's a beautiful bottle. All right, Lily. So we're going to get these dressed and we'll be right back.
Yeah.
And look at the aftermath. Wow, it's a lot of stuff. All right, Lily, let's see. We are back. And guys, look how cute they look. Even the cat has a wig. Let's see that one. Oh my goodness, look at this. All right, very cute. I think, yeah, it's is it on right?
Yeah.
Look at all that curly hair. All right, and Lily, look, we have all these other outfits now that you can interchange, and you can change your clothes and play with them, and you can also dress your other LOL dolls, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think about this bigger surprise?
Awesome!
Definitely awesome. It was lots of fun. It was hard work because it's a lot of stuff. But it was definitely fun to unbox.
Okay.
And now Lily has all these new LOLs with all these new accessories. So you're going to be able to play with them for a very long time, right?
Yeah.
All right, Lily, we're going to leave you alone so you can play with your new toy. You think people should try getting these?
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. This would make an awesome birthday present. Just an awesome Christmas present.
Yes, I want another one of these.
Another
for Christmas.
one. I don't know.
For Christmas.
All right, Lily.
Thanks for watching. Put thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Bye.